Good morning, my dear children. My name is Jigna Damani and welcome to the EVS class today. Today is 14th of August and today is Friday. Today is your Costumes of India competition. So first nicely dress up and then you are going to study today. Okay, so let's study the new topic today. In the last class we studied about plants and things plants needs to grow. So let's have a quick recap of that. Yes, things plants needs to grow. First is soil. Then inside the soil we put the seeds. Then daily we water the plant. Plant also gets sunlight and air from its surrounding. And then slowly the plant grows. The seed becomes big. The root comes out of the seed and slowly the stem starts growing and it comes above the soil, above the ground. And slowly the leaves come. Then the flowers grow, the fruits and the vegetables come on it. So when you give plant all these things, soil, water, air, seeds and sunlight, the plant from small seed it becomes a big plant, and then from the plant it becomes a big tree. So all these 5 things are very important for the plant to grow. If the plant does not get any one thing from this, the plant will not be able to grow. If you keep a plant in a dark room where there is no sunlight, the plant will not grow at all. And if you don't water the plant might die. Because see, when we are thirsty, हम लोग को भी पानी पीने की we are thirsty, right? हम लोग को भी पानी पीना होता है. Same way, even the plant needs to drink water. So see this. First, when we put some seeds in the soil and we water that, so a small green color stem comes out. Then slowly this stem becomes big and then we have few leaves on that. And then again if we put water daily, the plant is in an airy room जहाँ पे अच्छे से हवा आती है, वहाँ पे आपने उसको रखा है जहाँ पे अच्छे से उसको sunlight मिलता है. Then the plant grows, the size of the leaf also becomes big. And slowly the plant becomes big from small stem to a big plant. So if we put water daily, if the plant gets sunlight regularly, if it is kept in an airy place, so the plant will grow nicely. See this nicely. See, here there is a seed. This is inside the ground. ये mud है, ये नीचे का part है, and this is the above part. See, we have put the seed inside. Then slowly the root comes out and the stem comes out of the ground, and then there are leaves and slowly it comes out and there are roots spreading under the ground. See, ये सब जो नीचे है वो roots है. See, the plant grows slowly the plant grows and then it becomes bigger and bigger. Then यहाँ पे देखो, ये it is a bud. ये flower का bud होता है. Before flower grows, it is a bud. कली होती है, then कली open होके वो flower बनता है. See, can you see nicely? Then it grows slowly it grows. The seed, the bud opens nicely, and then there is a flower which grows. So these are the plant growth stages. That is the germination process. So ऐसे नहीं होता कि आपने seeds नहीं डाला पर directly flower उगेगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. This is a process. जैसे हम लोग भी from a small baby we become big. पहले हम जूनियर में आते हैं, फिर सीनियर में आते हैं, फिर फर्स्ट सेकेंड. डायरेक्टली तो हम कॉलेज नहीं जा सकते. सेम वे This seed also grows from small seed to then a big plant, then flower comes, vegetable and fruits they grow. Different plants have different things. Now if you put flowering seeds, अगर आपने किसी फ्लावर का सीड डाला तो वो प्लांट में से फ्लावर्स आएंगे. अगर आपने सनफ्लावर का सीड डाला तो वहां पे आपको टमाटो नहीं उगेगा, और अगर टमाटो का प्लांट है तो उसमें सनफ्लावर नहीं उगेगा. आपने जो भी सीड्स डाले हैं वैसा ही प्लांट उगेगा आपका. And these are the parts of the plant which we are going to study in our next class. So today we studied about the germination process. This thing is called the germination process. From a seed to the big plant. And this is your home assignment page. Teacher is going to show you this in the book, and then you are going to do this page and click the photographs and send it to me. Today it is very easy. Number the pictures in the correct order. So come, let's open the book. Here, this is our book. Page number 14. You can see nicely. First here you are going to write the date. 14th August 2020. Okay, and then you see first here there is a picture of a plant which is already grown. यहाँ पे flower है, leaves है. Second picture जहाँ पे वो लोग pot में seeds डाल रहे हैं. Then third one is एक छोटा सा plant है जहाँ पे एक bud है, और यहाँ पे again same plant जो थोड़ा सा bud open हो चुका है, और यहाँ पे है एक small plant जिसको रोज सनलाइट और वाटर मिल रहा है. सो दिस पिक्चर्स आर मिक्सड अप. ये लाइन में नहीं है. वी हैव टू पुट नंबर्स ऑन दिस कि कौन सा पहले पिक्चर हो सकता है, कौन सा सेकेंड होगा, कौन सा थर्ड होगा, और हम लोग को उसको लाइन में अरेंज करना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज डायरेक्टली फ्लावर होगा? नो, द फर्स्ट वन विल बी दिस. पहले हम यहाँ पे 1 लिखेंगे, 1. So this is the first one. पहले हम उसको seeds डालेंगे. Then second one is here, this one. Second, हम लोग अगर seeds को रोज उसको sunlight मिलेगा, daily हम उसको water देंगे, तो the plant will grow. So this is number 2. After this, see, this plant is growing and it comes here. First a little bit of leaves and a small bud comes out. So this is number 3. And then this bud opens and we get a small bud which is opening over here. So this is number 4. And then this bud opens slowly and we get a big flower. So this is number 5. So this way you are going to number according to the sequence of the plant germination process. Okay, the seed grows into a big plant, but what is the process? That process you are going to number it over here. So my dear children, thank you so much. Do the assignment nicely and send the pictures to me. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Teacher misses you a lot and wishing you a very happy Independence Day tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.